Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear niche, ranked plays, hero guides, or combo montages, because focus helps search and retention. Once done, get recording essentials, a 1080p capture at 30 FPS or higher and a decent microphone. Those two things fix most quality problems. Then set up your YouTube channel, add banner art and a short 3-video trailer so new viewers know your brand. Make sure to schedule one upload per week. Consistency trains the algorithm and your audience. Now you move into the workflow. Plan each video with a strong hook, a clear structure, and timestamps so viewers skip to value. While editing, keep pacing tight. Aim for 8 to 12 minutes, use jump cuts for dead air, and add on-screen tips and consistent audio levels so your message lands. Once edited, create thumbnails with a clear face plus hero, bold readable text, and high contrast. Make sure to add 3-sentence descriptions that include the hero name and one searchable term, because you finish by uploading at a peak time and filling tags, a good title, and a pinned comment that contains one clear CTA, subscribe, or join a playlist. Then promote aggressively. Cut 30-60-second shorts from highlights, post to Discord and Reddit, and pursue collabs to tap audiences. Monitor retention and RPM to know what works. If growth stalls, troubleshoot. Rework the thumbnail and title, test a new hook in the first 10 seconds, and update tags. Small tweaks often restore traction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.